Now we're going to go over friction calls. So what we've got here is a Slate turkey call, or a Slate friction call, pot style call, whatever you want to call it. But as far as making sounds with the friction call, the way I like to hold my striker, it's kind of like I'm holding a pencil, but then just take it and push that top end away from myself to where when I'm setting that striker down on the slate, it's kind of at an angle back towards me. And the first sounds I'm going to work on a slate call, getting and producing, is a yelp. And basically what I'm going to do is create a small circle or a little diagonal line or oval without lifting that striker off the surface. When you make that circle in your down stroke motion, you're going to get your sound, but when you make that upstroke motion, that's not going to make any sound. And then that's the yelp on a friction call. Next one I want to work on is one of the most basic ones, and that's a cluck. And you're just basically you're gonna set the striker back down there like you would, as you just did to make a yelp, and you're just gonna slightly make a drag or just pop it towards yourself. And then to create your cuts or do a sequence of cutting, basically what it is just like making those clucks, but it's at a lot faster pace. Those are two of my favorite calls to use when I'm spring gobbler hunting. And a lot of times I'll throw those together to add that realism, that cutting and yelping together. That's just another tool for your turkey vest. You know, whether it's a mouth call, friction call, box call, whatever calls you're most comfortable with, always have confidence in them and don't be afraid to give them a try, and you might have more success in the woods your next time out.